Okay, go ahead, bub.
Here. Tear open everything else.
Well, get it, buddy. You didn't open your other ones. Mommy opened them.
I'll tell you, whoever determines the size of wrapping paper packages when you buy it, they don't take any size boxes into consideration.
Here.
I had to use full sheets and mismatch it. And
Oh, that's fine.
horrible.
I got 2 of his gifts wrapped, and I ran out of paper.
Yum.
Is that good stuff?
Guess so.
Better be. Freaking BX, they got a limited selection and
I
they charge
know,
you through the
they're
nose for
terrible.
what little they have.
Whoa, dude. That's pretty hot.
I'm eating it too.
Here. Weirdo. You're supposed to play with the toy inside the paper. Here.
Hey Hunter, Sissy's on the way, come on.
Yeah, that's brother. That's what I say. Shut up. Here.
Is that paper good?
I don't think he cares.
He's like, no. Look it. Whatever.
Hey, it fits in my mouth. That's all that matters. So what is that?
What is it, buddy? Get it. Get it. Open it.
Yeah?
Get it.
What you got there?
Is it another truck?
Sweet.
It's a log one. Ooh. There you go, buddy. Hey. Okay, I'm done. Here, I'll help you. Here. No, come on. Look at. Look at. Oh, it's a farm one.
Say ooh. Say awesome.
Go, dude. He's trying to push it.
What does it look like, bub?
He's like, I don't care. I'll shoot the handle. Hey.
What does it look like?
Oh. That one's easier for you to open.
Just dump it out.
Here, bub. What's in here?
Stuck on the handle. There you go. Whoa, dude.
Say, what is that?
Push the top.
Yes.
Push it, buddy.
I'm in charge.
Wow. Oh, God, now it's never going to stop. Push it.
I'm in charge.
Yeah. So what does the other one do?
Push the top of it. Did you get that?
Push it.
I can dig it.
Good job, buddy.
You like them?
He's obsessed with things that make noise.
Hey, let Daddy take them out of the package for you.